Engine 2, Truck 4, Rescue 4, that's for Engine 2, Truck 4, and Rescue 4, respond 1220 St. George. Is for General Commercial Fire Alarm at Fancy Pocket. Again, Engine 2, Truck 4, Rescue 4, respond 1220 St. George. Is for General Fire Alarm at Fancy Pocket. Car 3, copy, Fire Control.
Car 3, go ahead.
10-4, just received a call from someone on scene saying that there's some machinery there on fire.
Okay, copy that. Let's upgrade the call truck through to that as well.
Car 3, we can clear this call if you need us to respond to St. George.
Yeah, Cap, just be on the safe side. Start making your way that way.
Fire Control, Engine 2.
Engine 2, right?
Engine 2's arrived at a mega-sized warehouse. We have smoke showing from the roof. Not sure if it's coming from the stacks or from the fire inside. We're going to be in the investigative mode. Portable 2 Alpha is going to be St. George Command.
10-4, copy, a mega-sized warehouse, smoke coming from the roof, investigating. Portable 2 has come in.
Engine 2, Truck 4.
Go for command.
I'm looking for the driver, Engine 2. Is there a hydrant right there in the lawn in front of you guys, or we got to pick the one up on the office?
Car 3, command.
Command, Car 3, go ahead.
10-4, the sprinkler system is activated. We cannot see anything out on the bay floor where the fire is because it's full of smoke. My crew's going to mask up, and we're going to bring a line here off of Engine 2. If we can get Truck 4's crew to come grab a line off, please.
Copy that. You're going in with the line, visibility is poor, and you want Truck 4 to back up with the second line. And Fire Control, Car 3, make sure you dispatch ambulance in New Brunswick as well as MB Power after this call.
10-4.
Car 3, Truck 4.
Car 3, go ahead.
I understand we're to back up Engine 2, take a line in, is that correct?
Yeah, Captain, that's what he's asking for. Back up.
We're on scene here, Car 3.
Okay, copy that. I'm just going by the St. George Fire Station short.
Truck 3, command.
Go ahead.
10-4, have you arrived yet?
We're pretty close.
10-4. I've got a worker here telling me that over here on the Bravo side, there's maybe another door that we can get into that's close to the fire. So if you could stop your truck just behind Truck 4, and then we get you guys to come over here.
Copy that.
Command, Portable 5 Alpha.
Go for command, 5 Alpha.
Do you want water supply to your truck, or do you want us to hook it to Truck 3 if you have better access on Truck 3?
Stand by. We're going to see. They brought a charge line in until we open up this door.
10-4, standing by.
You're making entry. You're inside now, trying to find the fire. You got Truck 4 backing you up with the line. Engine 5 is getting the hydrant, and Truck 3 is going to make access on the Bravo side. Is that correct?
10-4, the only correction there is there's only one line inside. Truck 4 went in to help Engine 2's crew. Truck 3's crew is going to have to do forcible entry. The worker said that might be closer to the fire.
Okay, copy that. Truck 3 will have to do forcible entry. And do we know what's on fire, what's burning, where the fire is located at?
Car 3, 4 Alpha.
Go for 4 Alpha.
We have a transformer sitting on the floor here just inside the door. That's going to have to be de-energized. We got about 2 inches of water here.
10-4, I'm going to get a hold of the building guy here and see if I can find the electrical room, start shutting things down. Fire Control, command.
Go ahead.
10-4, can you get all the MB Power to respond here, please?
They're already on their way.
10-4. Car 3, command.
Command, Car 3. I'll take it from out here.
10-4, I'm going to go look for electrical room here, see if I can start shutting off some power here.
Okay, copy that. And be advised, I do have MB Power and ambulance in Brunswick responding. 5 Alpha, command.
I think we keyed at the same time. You calling for 5 Alpha.
Yeah, do we have a hydrant line hooked up into Engine 2?
We got it hooked up. We were just standing by where they wanted to charge it.
Let's charge it for now.
10-4, we'll charge it. You want us to relocate to back up Truck 3's line in?
Yeah, Truck 4's with Engine 2, and I'll get you to go with Truck 3 on the Bravo Delta side.
Yeah, we can go over and give them water supply for Truck 3.
4 Delta, command.
Go ahead.
Yeah, Chris, do you have your stick up on the roof?
10-4, Chief, on my way up to give you a roof report here now. Command, 4 Delta. Be advised, I'm up on the roof here now. We have cold smoke coming out of 5 different vents, and that's it, no fire.
Copy. Thanks for the roof report. Just cold smoke coming out of the roof right now.
Car 3, copy Fire Control.
Car 3, go ahead.
or is 20 minutes out.
Okay, copy that. Can you do a call back to him and tell him we need him here as soon as possible?